Mình này thấy ngã thong thì là cuốn thuần ngã đồ lệch xiang Tulip par xịt của mùa mùa đồ lệch chưa
Kaya nabibag sila ito, tatakbo.
Weber's parrot.
J'avais compris, c'est ça. Oui, c'était joli.
Oh, situ-situ ha. Kaya yung kau kita lang sila. Oh my god, đi rằng rồi.
No, but you said get rolling. And you could, paddle and swim and whatever. Oh yeah. It's a lake, but the lake goes into another lake. It goes into another lake, it goes into another lake. So,
tắc to sắm tắc lắm ô tập những cái Madonna tí vào này Red Madonnaไปได้โอ้ยจู
mỗi thứ tùy những của cái đường
Comme les fleurs du grand nord.
Oh, yes.
Park. Aham panen ben tiền vàng. Chà làm tiền.
That's done what the
Like, you know, Lansdowne Park. Callahan, Mysterious Bear. With them, we don't have to do everything together.
Jadi parolier derrière.
Salai.
Then they start waving at me. I'm like, why are they waving? Wait, that's the one?
I think so. Watch out, buddy.
That's the one that we saw at Mommy's. Yes, if we saw that again. Yes, if we saw that again. Saw that again.
And you have to have 5 pool cards, so it's like. So eventually everyone can have 2.
Doing a good job.
Yeah.
I know.
No?
Yo me conozco de estudiamos. De viene de Chapultepec.
Fuimos a una fiesta que hicieron volar.
Displays that they were all done with plants and flowers.
Il y en avait un qu'il fallait qu'on enlève.
What's that? What's that?
I sent him $91 bill. Kìa, buruk in ha. toilet wash toilet
Bleu, kebab.
Look, it's hot, man.
đó đây là blue
Con đây, cái làm sống sẽ bạc lại rồi.
chả làm bệnh chả làm phạt chả làm chả phạt
It houses the Van Eyck family of tulips, which are all part of the Darwin hybrid family. And these are tulips that are bred to be bold and beautiful and dependable. They have these big blooms and strong, tall stems that are great to withstand breezy Ottawa springs. Now sometimes when I say that we get a big gust of wind. Didn't happen this time. I guess nature's not with me today, but so in this bed there are 3 different types of Van Eyck tulips. 2 of them are the pink ones you see behind me. So these pink ones that have a little bit more of a plum coloring at the base are Mystic Van Eyck tulips. And the pink tulips that are a bit more of a solid pink, those are Salmon Van Eyck tulips. Now I believe that we might have a bit of an error on one of the plaques here. It says that Lady Van Eyck is in this bed. Lady Van Eyck, to my knowledge, is a deep pink tulip. There's a red tulip in here. So I have deduced that this is the red Van Eyck tulip and not the Lady Van Eyck. But regardless, as I mentioned, these are quite sturdy and they bloom early in the spring. So some of them, with the heat that we've gotten recently, a little bit later in the spring, are not too happy. They bloomed before the festival had even started. So the ones in the front, we noticed the past couple days starting to wilt. But the ones in the back closer to the shade are doing a bit better, since they're built for some of that early spring weather, some of the frost, where other flowers and other tulips might falter in that time period. So these tulips are all about resilience and this beautiful, well, this beauty that comes after a hardship, after a long spring. So we like to say for these tulips that beautiful things come from strong roots. That's sort of the message for these ones. Feel free to get a little closer if you want to see them better, if you want to take any photos or anything.
I appreciate it. Real now too. Tại Paul hè ni tâm dễ ngài tại hè ni tâm ni ngã dễ lâu lệ phát sọ ni tại hè mò. Cho man cha hè chỉ tụ à vùng nào mà hè mi khu hàng tu cho ni tâm dễ ngã lâu hè tại Paul cho mà mi a species a zero hè. Cho hè tại tu exogenous mun exogenous mun tại tu tourist pon hiểm lệ cóแต่ตัวลำปุยหังแค่ดูเล็กดูสเล็กปาวิเลียนติงเก่าลงแต่ปอเละร้านแต่ปอใจเย็นหัวนี่ cái đường tu Tulip tạ lối bằng những điểm em mà lòng hiện tại cho kita dong in pantu sa saya lah kata tu
Cing dong, aci tham dong hang.
terus restoran ini
Cing gay lau hang di
ya Dows Lake है Atabawan na ilaw เจ้าชอบเป็นบ่อนนายมีเลขปุ๋ยฮะถือสวนโอเคฮะทุลิปบอกเลยเฮียมแรกพอดอลลาร์สมทุมแรกฟังดีเลย99 cent ตี self guided legacy tour stop 5 a history แต่ก่อนว่ากินหัวเดี๋ยวเราไม่สอนแล้วผมเลยล้างแดงแล้ว
So he's obviously a lot less.
Hey, boys there hari ko hai sukko. There's how many people?
Yeah, thank you.
No, it's off, guys.
Ya lam tu press don lam puyin dun mun exot mun te ha sponsored by Remax
Alice. Ouais, exactement. Un peu plus que les autres, les pauvres mariolas là-bas. Alors, donc ça c'est notre parterre numéro 1. Et aussi, tu peux voir, il y a des types qui sont très différents, uniques.
Hello. Hello. Tulip Festival. Tulip Festival lah.
Dar vezi că deja încep să se
Oh.